I'm going to the shop this morning. My wife has migraine. She has cluster migraines, which are really bad. And I've got to rush home and take my daughter to school. And then I got to go home and get ready for bed and go to work tonight. So I'll probably go take my daughter to school and come straight home, go to bed, and try to hit the shop this afternoon. If I don't hit the shop this afternoon, I just don't hit the shop this afternoon. I mean, there's really nothing I can do about it. I'm trying to get more time at the shop, but my job just doesn't really allow it. I mean, I've got one weekend off a month, and it's 5 days, and sometimes I get that 5 days sorry, I was reading a message. I get 5 days or 4.5 days more or less once a month, and then about every 4 months I get it twice a month. I get a long weekend. So my weekends usually fall on a Tuesday and Wednesday. I get off Tuesday and Wednesday twice a month, and then I get off Thursday through, well, I get off Thursday morning. I'm sleeping till noon. So yeah, I get off Thursday till the next Monday, and I go back to work Tuesday. So it doesn't allow for a whole bunch of time off. It doesn't allow me to go to the drag races as much as I want to either, because they just fall on them off weekends most of the time, and it kind of pisses me off, but there ain't really anything I can do about it at this point. Like I said, I'll try to get up early enough to go to the shop this afternoon. It makes me tired. It makes me worse tired to do that than it does to go to the shop in the morning. But it's effing cold this morning, and I really don't care to go to the shop this morning. So I'm trying to hurry up and get through this school zone before it starts lighting up. Other than that, that's all I have. Plant ran good, and we will see how it runs tonight. It's supposed to get even colder tonight. They're talking snow tomorrow. Who knows? I mean, I was sitting on the board the last half of the night, and at 3 o'clock I looked at my temperature outside, and I went and grabbed the broom and swept and mopped and all that, because we had to do that on nights. And when I got back to the board about 30 minutes later, it already dropped 8 degrees. So it went from, well, actually more than that, it went from 42 to 32. So it went from, it dropped 10 degrees and went to freezing right away. And we've got to, when it does that, we got to be watching our pressure on our fin fans, so we can keep pressure in the fin fans. But anyway, that's just boring to y'all. So I'll see what happens. I'll let y'all know something when I wake up, if I'm gonna make it to the shop or not. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.